My experience with Mergunity has been a very positive one. I find that when I have questions that they are streamlined to the appropriate individuals, whether that means that an additional service ticket has to be implemented, they follow through with that. When we have a system in PACS that never goes down, that never fails us, that's a workhorse in the industry, and that we can rely on, it means the world to us. We find that a lot of times when we have multiple systems working together, that the integration and the upgrades for those integrations have to be streamlined, and we have to have folks in the background that are able to make these systems work. And that's what we find with Mergunity. It's a workhorse in the industry, and I personally love the system. I'm excited that we're starting to work on the back-end resources. I'm also excited about the fact that we're really paying attention to what the patient wants. How does this affect our everyday workflow? How does this affect the patient? Are we giving the patient what they need? And are we keeping the patient first and foremost in our thoughts and concerns? And that's what I'm hearing with Merative, is that we want to incorporate a system and a workflow that genuinely has the patient front and center in what we're doing. The transition to Merative has been seamless. It's been an ongoing process with giving and receiving information, and I look forward to enjoying the journey together.